The hydropower projects recently in news where? Answer hai Jammu and Kashmir. What region is Lipulekh Pass part of? Answer hai the pass is part of the Kumaon region's rugged terrain in Uttarakhand, India. Nuvuagettuk Greenstone Belt, that was recently seen in news, is located in which country? Answer hai Canada. National Statistics Day is celebrated every year on which day? Answer hai 29th June. The Kharai camel is native to which state? Answer hai Gujarat. What is the name of the operation launched by the CBI to combat cybercrime involving mule bank accounts? Answer hai Operation Chakra 5. Which state won the Women's Hockey India Masters Cup 2025? Answer hai Odisha.